Hello guys and welcome to our step-by-step guide on creating a ChatGPT account without the hassle of providing a phone number. If you are looking for a quick and easy way to set up your ChatGPT account while maintaining privacy, you've come to the right place. In this tutorial, we will walk you through the entire process, ensuring a smooth and phone-free account creating experience. Now join us as we navigate the account creation process together. Hello again. First of all, open up a browser and go to this URL: chat.openai.com. So guys, if you see this error on the page, don't be afraid. I will teach you how to fix it. But if you don't see this error, it means you don't need to actually do this step. So go to next step. So for fixing this error, go to your software and select an IP address. Guys, if you don't know how to download this program or how to use it, I have a video on my YouTube channel about this program. You can go there and watch the video, and after that come back to this process and continue. So after connected to a server successfully, go back to the URL and refresh the URL and wait. At the right of the website, click on the sign up. Now we have some options here guys. You can continue by your Google account, Microsoft account, or your Apple account. Or here you can just type your email address. So I will type my Yahoo account and continue. Here choose a password for your ChatGPT account, and don't forget that to remember your password and type it correctly, at least 12 characters, and click on continue. And here is the tricky point guys. If you see this error on the page, this site can be reached, it doesn't have any problem, please again refresh the page. So again, one more time, type your password and continue. And as you can see, here is the time to go back to your email address and verify your email. So go to your email address and confirm your email. Here guys, you can see the OpenAI verification email. Click on it, and here guys you can see the verify email address link. Just you need to click on the this button and verify your email address. Now write your full name and your birthday date. After that, click on agree. Here we are. Congratulations guys, you have successfully created a ChatGPT account without the phone number. You can now start using the amazing feature of ChatGPT. Remember guys, it's important to keep your account information private and secure. OpenAI takes your privacy seriously. On the left corner you can see your account name, and when you go to settings tab, you will see some information for your export your chat data, and you can here delete account. Now let me test it, does it work or not. Here we are guys, as you can see our ChatGPT account works perfectly. Here is nothing left to say my friends. Thank you guys for watching our tutorial, and we hope you found this guide helpful. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more exciting tutorials. So see you soon guys, be careful of yourself, goodbye.